AK26 Tutorial 11, Printing Your Project. Printing your project in AK26 is a two-step process. The first step is to define what to print by creating paper tabs for each view that you want to include. The second step is to print those tabs, typically into a single PDF document. Both steps are streamlined so you can create your project documentation quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Creating the paper tabs. Before starting, make sure all dimensioned elevation views for your project have already been created. We completed this in tutorials 9 and 10. Once your elevation views are ready, you can use the print wizard to automatically create the paper tabs for each page or view. The paper tabs will appear at the bottom left of the AutoKitchen screen, next to Model and Paper. In this tutorial, we'll create paper tabs for all elevation views, walls 2, 3, and 4, and for the floor plan view at the same time. Then, we'll create one additional paper tab for the island, which will include two views, the island front and the island back. Creating the paper tabs for walls and floor plan. Click Print Wizard. In the window that opens, click Auto. The next window lists all available views to print. The top view, which is the floor plan, is already selected. Place a check mark next to Wall 2, Wall 3, and Wall 4, then click the green check mark. The next window allows you to select the printer or PDF driver, paper size, color, orientation, and scale. Note that there is no title block selection in this window. If you want to include a title block, make sure the Add Title Block preference is enabled under User Preferences Advanced Preferences Print. After completing this setup, you'll see the paper tabs for these four views, floor plan, or top, Wall 2, Wall 3 and Wall 4. Check each tab to make sure things look correct. Next we'll create one tab for the island views, front and back, which is the only paper tab that will include two views, both created in Tutorial 10. Creating the island views paper tab. Click Print Wizard again. The next window will show the existing paper tabs, including a default paper tab. Next, click New. A small window appears prompting you to name the new tab. Type Island Views, then click the green check mark. Keep the default PDF printer driver. For page size, keep ANSI B, 11 inches by 17 inches. Under View Distribution select two views. Next, under Views, in the first drop-down, select Island Front View, and set the scale to 3/4 of 1 inch. In the second drop-down below, select Island Back View, and set the same scale of 3/4 of 1 inch. Click the green check mark to confirm. After a few seconds, the new paper tab Island Views will appear at the bottom of the screen next to the other ones. Adjusting and positioning the views. The two island views will appear in wireframe mode, this is only a preview. All printed views will appear in hidden lines. If you need to reposition the island views, double-click the view, press and hold down the mouse wheel to pan, then double-click again to exit panning mode. Avoid rolling the mouse wheel, as that changes the scale. Left-click the different paper tabs to make sure everything looks correct. Reposition the views in each paper tab as needed. You can also use the Add Text and Insert Image buttons on the Paper Space toolbar to add additional details to your views. You can add a page title, a leader, or even a cabinet door photo. Adjusting the Floor Plan paper tab. When finished, click the Top paper tab. The top tab contains the floor plan view. This is the only view that typically needs to be adjusted to make the printout clearer. Right-click within the floor plan view and select Print Wizard. In the window that opens, click Setup, then open the layer drop-down to the right. Select My Floor Plan from the list. This pre-configuration lightens the drawing and hides moldings, cabinet doors, knobs, and other details for better readability. You can further customize this floor plan view configuration by clicking the three-dot button to the right of the layer drop-down. In the next window, enable or disable specific layers, for example, enable cabinet dimensions. Confirm with the green check marks until you return to the paper tab. You'll now see the updated floor plan view. Step 2. Printing the paper tabs. To print any paper tab, simply click the Print button from within the Paper tab. If you are in model space, click the desired paper tab first. Typically, you'll want to print all paper tabs at once into one PDF. Follow these steps. Click the Model tab, then click the three-dot button. The window that opens lets you rename, copy, reorder, or delete tabs. Rename the tabs for clarity. Top floor plan. Wall 2 fridge wall. Wall 3 sink wall. Wall 4 range wall. Click the green check mark when done. Next, from Model Space, click the AK logo in the upper left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Export PDF. In the list of paper tabs that appears, uncheck the default paper tab. It's empty and should not be included. Click the green check mark. Saving and reviewing the PDF. Finally, name your project, for example, Tutorial 11 AK26, and choose where to save it. If you're not sure, save it to your desktop for easy access. After a few seconds, the PDF will be ready. Save your work. Minimize Auto Kitchen, go to your desktop, and open the new PDF. You should see a 5-page document: floor plan, fridge wall, sink wall, range wall, and island views. Your document is now complete and ready to be shared. This concludes Tutorial 11, Printing Your Project.